Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, my dear learners, we will start chapter number first of your book. Okay, so we are starting with chapter number first and we will complete the whole book. Okay, so my dear learners, my dear kids, the chapter number first of your computer book says what? What the chapter name? The chapter name is Computer, a Useful Machine. So in this chapter, the chapter number first tells you about computer and we will see why we can call computer as a useful machine. Okay? So do you want to know? Do you want to learn why we can call computer as a useful machine? What are the advantages of computer? What are the things that we can do with the help of computer? Do you want to know? So let's start. Let's come with me and I will teach you why we can call it. Okay? So let's start chapter number first. The friend is telling to you something. Let's see what your friend is telling. Hi friends, I am Twinkle. Okay? We have learned in the previous class that a computer is a man-made thing which makes our work easier. In class first also we discuss about computer, their parts, how we can handle computer, and the computer that we are using is man-made. We already discussed in the first class. Okay. So we know we will use computer because computer makes our work easier. Okay. So it works with the help of electricity. So it is an electronic device. So computer is an, say with me, electronic device. Say with me, computer is an electronic device because the computer that we are using is run with the help of electricity. Let's now go to another exciting journey of exploring computer. Let's explore computer. Okay. So let's see. Our computer is a very useful machine. So it is a machine that is working on. Okay. Other machines such as washing machine or air conditioner allow us to do only one things at a time. As we know, machines, air conditioner doing one thing at a time means the work of washing machine is to cleaning the clothes. Air conditioner works to cool the room. Okay, to do cooling. That is the main function of air conditioner and washing machine. But computer has many function in itself. Okay, but by using a computer we can perform multiple tasks. Yes, in the computer we can listen music, we can play game, we can use internet, we can do drawing, we can do calculation, we can prepare presentation also. So in the computer we can do lots of things. Okay, so it is a multitask. So the computer do multitasking. Okay, for example, playing game, listening to music, watching movies and cartoons, solving sums, drawing pictures, typing and printing letters, etc. are the work we can do with the help of computers. So we can do lots of work. Okay, hence it is called a smart machine. So the computer is known as a smart machine. Okay, because with the help of computer we can do lots of things. Okay, a computer can work in a better manner than human beings. So it works in a better way because they cannot the work of computer should be neat and clean, accurate and up to the mark. Okay, so let us discuss how a computer is different from us. So why we can say computer is different from us? Let's see. Okay, computer versus human. So if you want to compare human beings and computer, what are the differences between both of them? Are both same or both different? Let's see. First one is speed. In the term of speed, how we can say computer is different from the human beings? As we know, human being has a capacity, has a speed. So human beings has a limited speed, but computer does not have any limited speed. It has very fast as compared to human beings. So if we compare in the terms of speeds, so a computer is a smart machine. Computer is what? A smart machine. It can perform calculation at very fast speed. So with the help of computer, we can do calculation in very fast speed. If you want to do it by yourself, it takes time. So it can do millions of calculations within a few seconds, whereas humans being cannot perform calculation as fast as computer. So in this term, we can say computer is faster than the human beings. Second is accuracy also. The work of computer is more accurate as compared to human beings. So human beings can make mistake while working or doing calculations. A computer usually does not make mistakes. So it is mistaken free. Okay. So computer don't do mistakes. Sometimes it happen, but it is more accurate than human beings. Second is diligent. Diligent is also there. So computer never get tired of working. Yes, we can do work the whole day. Computer cannot say, please shut down, I am tired, now my time is over. Computer does not say all these words, but human beings say. Human beings has a capacity. After an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, the human beings become tired, but computers don't have. Computers don't know how to become tired. Okay, they don't know. So they can do number of tasks without getting tired. So computer can do number of tasks. Okay. On the other end, human beings get tired after working for a long hours without taking a break. So human beings get easily tired as compared to the computers. Next is memory also. Computer has lots of memory inbuilt, but human beings don't have so much memories. Human beings maybe forget something. Okay, but computers don't forget anything. Okay. So computer have a very good memory. A computer never forget the information stored in it. Human being can forget things and cannot remember all the things like a computer. So computer has a good memory. Next is never get bored also. A computer never get bored of doing the same thing again and again, while we human tends to get bored performing a task repeatedly. If you want to do the same task again and again, human beings will become tired, will become bored, but computers don't. So these are the differences between the human beings and computer. So human beings and computers are different in the term of speed, in the term of accuracy, in the term of memory, in the term of never get bored, or we can say diligent. Okay, so these are the differences between human beings and computer. I am hoping so this thing is clear to you. Now one activity is for you. Give me the answer. Underline the correct choice from the correct option. So the options are there. You have to tell me the correct answer. So I can choose first one. Computer never or always get tired. Computer never tired. We already discussed the computer is a machine that cannot tired easily. So we can say, we can mark never. So computer cannot tired easily. Second, humans work slower or faster than computer? Of course, slower than computer. Next, a computer does not have any feeling. Computer does not have any feeling. Computer don't know how to laugh, how to cry, how to be sad. Okay, next, a computer does not work on the command of user. Works. If you do command to a computer has to follow your command. Okay. Computer cannot perform the same task again and again. Computer can perform the same task again and again. Millions of times if you command the computer to do or to open MS Word, they can open. Okay. So they cannot get tired, they cannot get bored. Okay, this is the basic thing that computer is following. I am hoping this much is clear. So we will discuss about the differences between human beings and computer. So again we will see, friends, you must be thinking that a computer is smarter than we are, but in many ways human beings is better than the computer. So there are lots of ways in which we can say human beings are better than computers. Okay, let's see, let's read, let's have a look how the human beings are better than computers. Okay, first, a computer cannot think on its own. What I am telling to you, computer cannot think by their own. You have to command the computer, then the computer is working on your command. They cannot think automatically that, oh, I should play the music, I should open the game, I should open the YouTube. No, they cannot work by their own. You have to command whatever the command you are giving to the computer is following you. So it cannot take decisions. We give commands to computer to take certain actions. As humans, we can think and take decision by ourselves. Like, for example, if you want to compare human beings with computer, so human beings can take decision by their own, but computers cannot take their own decisions. Okay, this is the main difference between human beings and computer, in which human beings can able to make own decisions, but computers can't. Second is, a computer does not have any feelings because it is a machine. We already know computer is a machine, so they don't have any feelings. They don't know how to become sad, how to become happy, how to become excited. It does not feel happy, sad, fearful or anger, but we humans have feeling. We can at a time feel happy or sad. As a human being, just like I am now teaching you, I am very happy to teaching you. So this is the feeling I am sharing with you. But computers don't have the feeling, don't have that feelings. If a robot is standing in front of you, in spite me, a robot is there. Robot don't have any feeling. They don't know how to be sad, how to be happy. But if I am teaching to you, I have the feeling. Okay. So this is the second difference. Third is, a computer needs electricity, whereas humans do not need electricity to work. So computer need electricity. Without electricity, they cannot work, function. They cannot run. But human being can run without the electricity also. So we will see the difference between the computer and the human beings. Okay. First, we will see how the computers are better than the human beings. In the second page, we will see how the human beings are better than computers. Okay. So now, other activities to you match the word with the correct picture. So this correct picture, you have to match it. Electricity, food, happy, thing, take decision. So this is the computer. It is run by the electricity. And the boy is looking happy. So you can match happy word with the boy. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. Now we will see some advantage of computer. As we discussed in the first two pages that why the computers are smarter than human beings, and the second page we will see human beings are smarter than computers. Now we will see the advantages of computer. Okay, so friends, we all know that a computer is smart and intelligent machine. We already know computer is very smart, computer has very good intelligence. It has many advantages and some disadvantages as well. As computer has advantages also and some disadvantages also. Let's have a look on it. First, a computer helps us to do tasks that might be impossible for humans to complete. This is the important thing. Human being cannot able to complete some tasks, but computer can able to do. Second, it can do repetitive tasks automatically. Thus, we do not need to give instruction to the computer again and again. Next, third, using a computer, we can do a lot of work in less time. We can take less time to complete the task. For example, doing calculations. If I compare calculations, computers are faster than human beings. So they take less time as compared to human beings. Fourth, using a computer, we can connect to the internet also. Using the computer, we can connect to internet. So we can be connected to other in a better way. We can also search information on the internet and learn many things also. So as we know, the internet is there, so we can search anything on the internet. In the internet, all the things are there. Okay, so it's better for you to search anything. Okay, so with the help of internet, and internet is there in your computer only. Next, a computer can be used for teaching students in a school and in colleges also. Nowadays, the computer is very helpful to teaching students in the school as well as in the colleges. Using a computer, a teacher can show presentation, chart, videos to the student related to the topic. Online teaching cannot happen effectively without computers. Nowadays, online teaching is also there, so online teaching is impossible without the computers. Okay, so next, sixth point, computers help make certain processes automatically. For example, when we go to market and purchase things, the shopkeeper can calculate the price of the items quickly with the help of computer, and the bill can generate without any hassle. Nowadays, shopkeepers also using computers or calculators. Okay, so that's why lots of big calculations become easier for you. Without having any mistakes, the computers can solve, or they can tell you the total amount of your items. Okay, next, we can store a lot of data in a computer, thus saving paper. So in the computer we can store lots of data. Okay, we don't want to waste any paper. So these are the, my dear learners, some advantages of computer. Why the computer is beneficial to you? Because they perform so much tasks. They cannot get tired, they cannot have feelings, they can work endlessly. The work of computer is accurate. Okay, so these are the things. Now we will see some disadvantage of the computer. Computers also have some disadvantages also. Let's have a look. First one, a computer cannot think and take decision of its own. We already discussed in the first page of the chapter that computer cannot able to think by the own. You have to command the computer, then the computer will say to you or search something you and take a decision. Okay, but you have to command the first. Okay, second, it does not have any feelings. They don't have any feelings. Next, third, it works on the command given by the user, so they can they can work according to the command that you can give to the computer. Fourth, it cannot store any information on its own until a user gives instruction to do it. Okay, they cannot store anything. Okay, you have to give command. The command that you are giving to the computer, that command is following by the computer only. They cannot do automatic work. They cannot automatically switch on or switch off. Okay, they cannot do anything. Okay, fifth, long time working on a computer can create health issues like back pain and eye strain. As we already know, lots of times if you are spending with your computers, then your health become bad. Okay, next, sixth, when computer are connected with internet, they can be used for stealing personal information of a user by other people also. So these are the some disadvantage the computer have. But I am hoping so you are using your computer very carefully and in the guidance of your parents. Okay, this is the most important thing that you have to follow. Okay, so this is the chapter number first of your book. Here in this chapter we will see a computer and their role, their advantages and their disadvantages also. I'm hoping the first chapter of your book is clear to you. So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.